All right, today we're going to be taking a look at this dog playpen. It's got 16 panels. It's going to be 32 inches in height. So we'll go ahead and unbox it and see what it looks like, what it comes with. You can see it's very securely packaged. We'll go ahead and just pull this out and we'll start cutting. What do you think, Teddy? This is for you. All right, I can already see we've got some instructions here we'll have to look over and some other little bag of small items. And right away, I really like the look of this kind of textured fencing. Quickly get every one of these panels out. And it comes with the rods that will connect fences onto each other. All right, I've got all 16 of the panels unboxed. So now I'm going to go ahead and create a little secure space for my dog. I'm going to want my doorway probably to be here. These little latch bars to be towards the bottom of the latch here to enable them to lock when you open and close them. These will just go right in, and then I'm just going to stick it securely into the grass. So what you'll want to do is, so some of these holes are the same height, so you just want to rotate it, connecting one fence to the next fence. And it's going to be pretty simple after that. Okay, so also when you're connecting these, I've found once you have these aligned, the top two holes, you want to make sure you push this one in all the way so it's kind of like touching. So that way they're nice and snug and a little bit more stable as you continue to build these fences. And then just push this rod in as far as you can just to help create a little bit more stability. And then you can angle these however way you want to go. So one thing you can do when you're getting towards the ends, just so you know you have enough space and you're not going to underbuild or overbuild it, what you can kind of do, just kind of lay out your future fences that you're going to put in. So I've got two left, and I just want to make sure they're going to evenly meet up together. Okay, that one is in, and it's the final one. Now we can go ahead and grab our pet, and we'll show you how that works with him in just a minute. All right, so we got our doorway. Come here, Teddy. Over here. Let's check this out, okay? So now you have like a secured area here for your animal, for my dog. So if I want to take him out at night, you can have like a designated area for him to do his business, and the fence is high enough that he will not jump over it. But I usually supervise him. I don't leave him out here alone. But this is just an excellent, inexpensive way to create an area in your yard where you don't have to put too much work into erecting some kind of a fence way. And this area here is going to be not wide enough that they can sneak out or anything like that. I have had other fences in the past where dogs maybe are trying to jump up and they could get their paw caught in here. That's not going to happen. We have small enough gap. When he's all done, we'll go ahead and open up the door. Come on, Teddy. Very easy to get in and out of, and will always be secure. And I could picture my whole yard if you got enough of these panels together, and you lined out your entire backyard. This is a very quick and easy way to upgrade the functionality of your backyard, being more secure for your pets, but also it's just aesthetically, it's going to be quite pleasing to look at for years to come. So now what I did here is I went ahead and moved this to probably a little bit more of a permanent location for my dog. So I have this secured area at night where if he has to do his business before bed, this is an area where he can just do his business. He's not going to be messing around the entire yard. I just have a nice area for him to do his business and maybe have a little toys out there so he feels a little more comfortable. But I'm very impressed with how nice this fence looks. And I mean, if you left it out here, it almost has like a permanent look to it. But it took me probably less than 10 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes to take apart and put it somewhere else. So the portability is very impressive because these panels are very light to move around and angle it and do what you need to do.